What are your thoughts about the intersection or the relationship between collaborative law and integrative law? Last year, Kim had a booth at the IACP conference.
In Orlando, yes.
And some of the collaborative lawyers came up to her. They didn't know what integrative law was, and they didn't think collaborative law fit with integrative law. And so I'd like to ask you, what do you think about that?
Well, yes, thank you for that. And actually, doing this podcast and reading back up on this has helped me redouble my efforts to increase that level of communication, because I've been aware of integrative law for a long time and haven't involved myself at the level that I want to involve myself in, because they've been great sister movements going on for many years. And I knew Kim, I met her first at a collaborative conference many years ago. And Pauline Tesler was a big part of this. I've known from Pauline, we were at a conference together, our mini conference together. And I've known that integrative law expands and creates a larger umbrella, for all the kind of the sentiments and the kind of the spirit of what collaborative law is about. I mean, we are a specific method and an idea under that umbrella, but I don't think many collaborative professionals are aware of that and aware of that bond and connection. And I want to, from this, and I help even in my own community, change that kind of thinking, because while collaborative law is a specific process and specific idea predominantly used in family law, it bears fruit from that broader idea about what lawyers can be and what's inside of them. And looking at their website again, it reminded me of all the great things that Kim and others have fostered. There's no better way to describe what we are looking for within our professionals. It comes from what's inside of you. Yes, there's a technique, but the people that do that technique best are really aligned with that, and people that look at the values that you are inspiring and integrate. And it's so wonderful to see, that integrative law has, in Kim's work, has been so much around the globe, and I'm so proud of how collaborative is spread around the globe. But this has gone even deeper, and it shows how the problems that we're wrestling with in our culture are so similar to what they are in every other part of the world. And it really does create that sense of connectedness, which I think is so important, that that they can really provide fuel for that. So I really I'm not surprised. I saw Kim at the conference, and I said I love Kim. I've known for ages, so I embraced her with great warmth. But I'm sure a lot of people are like, "What is this?" And even though, again, Pauline Tesler, one of our key leading collaborative people in the beginning, has been a big part of that. But I think a lot of people in the collaborative movement aren't as aware of the integrative law movement as I'd like them to be.